you color your hair, it can be difficult to get the perfect color, condition and shine. But now there's new vitamin-enriched VO5 Select Color with exceptional shine. 3 families of colorants, each with the same 12 shades that let you choose the level of commitment you want. Up to 8 washes, 24 washes, or permanently. Vitamin-enriched VO5 Select Color. The color you want, for as long as you want.
Remember when your dad tried to impress his new girlfriend?
Oh, yeah, what an embarrassment. And he messed the barbecue up. As usual, I had to sort it out.
New Bird's Eye Chicken Char Grills, prepared with succulent chicken breast for an authentic, smoky char grilled taste.
Of course, he thought he was brilliant.
Great minds think alike, eh, son?
Well, it was very tasty, unlike his apron.
New Chicken Char Grills from Bird's Eye.
Just open up a Juki, it's a party in a can. Juki is so fun and fruity, you'll be dancing in the sand. Juki make you really kooky, Juki make you manly man. Juki, woo! Ah, it's a party in a can.
Trust your taste buds. Obey your thirst. Sprite.
Discover the fresh, light taste of Lurpak Spreadable. Douglas. Oh, thank you. Lurpak Spreadable spreads straight from the fridge. Just imagine the cool, subtle taste of Lurpak. Only softer and smoother. Gosh. Lurpak Spreadable, it's all so sudden.
Starting this week, only in The Sun, read exclusive extracts from Glenn Hoddle's My 1998 World Cup story. Everyone had an opinion about England, but after all the speculation, read what was going through the mind of the man who actually had to make the decisions.
It's all in there, pal.
Glenn Hoddle's My 1998 World Cup story, only in The Sun.
Introducing an advanced painkiller for people who don't have time for pain. New Nurofen Advance. It's different because it has a specially developed formula. This speeds absorption into the body. It targets pain fast, so pain can't slow you down. New Nurofen Advance. Rapidly absorbed to target pain fast.